I am Elizabeth and I'm here with the posse today. And I had to come on because this is the energy that is the energy that has been mounting and the energy that the rest of this week is going to bring us all of the fantastic opportunities. So we had to come on to make sure that you were aware of these opportunities. First, we have the new moon, and this is the first new moon of the year. The new moon is the perfect time to set intentions. It's like when the soil is fertile. This is the best time. I know a lot of people will set their intention the first of the year, but the first lunar moon, which is in Aquarius, starts the Chinese New Year. And when I'm looking at the best way to understand the energies that are going to be affecting us, I always use astrology. Astrology is like going to the weather report. It's going to affect everybody. Like if it rains, it doesn't just rain on some people, it rains on the whole area. But how it affects us, that rain will be, are we preparing to utilize it, to utilize that energy, or are we going to be caught unprepared? So hopefully this message will help you prepare if you haven't already prepared for the fantastic time that it is. You got the new moon, you've got the lunar eclipse, you've got the beginning of the Chinese New Year, which is bringing in the year of the fire horse. So it's going to really propel if you have been feeling sort of sluggish, then this new moon and this new energy of the fire horse should help you to alleviate, get rid of all of that old energy. So, how do you utilize it? We know that it's a new moon, it's an eclipse, it's the fire horse, the year of the fire horse. We're in the first year. So, what does this mean to you or to us individually? It means it's the perfect opportunity to write a new script. It's the perfect opportunity to release any old clutter that you still have, especially emotionally and mental clutter. Take some time, especially today with the eclipse, to first get rid of anything that you no longer want to carry into this new year. And it's not only a new year, it is a new if you are to believe what the astrologers, numerologists are saying, that this time, this particular energy um, dynamic has not been around since 1960. So let's take time now. I am to set the intention for what we want. I know if you are paying attention to what is happening and being distracted about, oh, the sky is falling, understand that you create your world. Look at the energy. This is the energy. This is where I am. And now I am going to pick a destination to utilize this fire horse energy. It's going to propel you. Now, what I'm getting is this energy will propel everybody forward. Now, you have a choice to choose your destination. You have a choice to choose how you will, if you will ride controlled, allowing the flow of energy, or will you fight it? Will you get distracted? Will you go by default by what other people are saying? Or will you choose to write your script? You have the perfect time. This is the perfect time to do that. So I encourage you to take time today and for the rest of this week. And if you don't understand what I'm saying or talking about with about the Chinese New Year, there is plenty of explanations on YouTube of all of the many benefits and cautions that we need to be aware of. So write it down. Just get rid of the old, get rid of the old clutter. And I'm telling you, I'm also getting rid of physical clutter because that holds energy. I'm opening up the windows today and letting the air flow through. I'm allowing, I am saging every corner of my place where I live because I'm clearing out the energy to invite in the new. So I encourage you, take time to write down that you don't want. Decide on what you want and then trust. Ask your guides, ask your angels to connect you with the people, places, thoughts, feelings, and ideas that will help you to manifest whatever it is that you have written down. And you know, you can do, be, have anything that you so want if you are willing to do the work. And the work starts with being responsible for the thoughts, feelings, and choices that you choose. Choose love and that direction. Choose up and you will rise in that direction. It is up to you. Well, I hope that this makes sense. I'll listen to it on on the replay. That I invite you to join me to realize that I don't care what is happening in your life right now. You can choose to change it. And if you want an a turbo boost, choose what you no longer want, write it down, get rid of it, allow the eclipse energy to move it out, decide on what you want, and allow the new moon energy that's ripe. It's got a lot of fertilizer, this new moon, to grow, to plant your desires, and then be prepared to ride the energy. And we'll be here to help you because we're going to enjoy the flow. May light. And if I can help you in any way, please do let me know. If you feel that anybody can benefit, somebody who can benefit from this message, please do share it and follow us because, yeah, we're on a mission to awaken as many light workers. We need you now. We need your leadership and to lead yourself so others will follow. Well, anyway, I'm Elizabeth. And in behalf of the guides, I say may light, love, and plenty of laughter accompany you on your journey. May you have a blessed one.